What's your favorite thing to eat here?
For sandwich?
Yeah.
I have a few.
Okay.
I like the Magnolia District or Turkey Florentine and Queen Anne, those two. Or those three.
So I can do that Magnolia District half for the soup.
Yeah, the soup's really good today.
Let's do that. I'm here in Jamestown for one day. What do I do?
Have you ever been to Jamestown before?
No, never.
Well, I'd recommend going to the Buffalo.
Okay. I was just there.
What else? The Reservoir. Otherwise,
That's it. Alright guys, just got to Jamestown Skatepark. This is the only park along my massive route through North Dakota. And yeah, it's basically just a tennis court, some cracks, and some metal ramps around. But yeah, it looks kind of fun. I've actually been to North Dakota one time, and I was driving through the state and got hit in a massive snowstorm, and we just couldn't drive and had to stay overnight. But yeah, weather today's pretty nice though, so gonna enjoy this park. What's your name?
Sam.
Sam. Chad, nice to meet you, man.
Good to meet you.
I was not expecting to run into any.
Oh yeah,
One here, yeah.
Not usually nobody here.
No?
So some kids with markers or something. It used to be like early 2000s. I was told, I wasn't really here, but it was like 25 plus people.
Really?
Yeah, I know. But used to be like just wood all along the walls, cool graffiti, actually good graffiti, not this stuff. But
Really?
yeah, now it's pretty much just me. I had some buddies, but they went to Canada. So.
Really? So you're the only
Just me.
person? Yeah?
Yeah, some bikers that are friends. But,
Yeah. That's it. And are there any other skate parks like around the area?
Valley City, which sucks completely, is a really good park.
Okay.
Well, not really good because it's metal, but
Yeah. How far is that?
30 minutes. Fargo, the dike, that's really good.
Alright, so I think I'm gonna learn another blunt variation. Gonna try half cab the blunt, big spin out. I think I should be able to get this one quick. So I've never done a blunt big spin out, but I'm doing a half cab into it just because like the momentum will make it a lot easier for me to do a big spin. I don't know if it's that way for everyone, but for me, that like swinging motion into it will help me spin it out. All right, guys, the day has come. 512 gigabyte iPhone, completely filled. He just came over and helped me film that half cab blunt, big spin out. I did 2 of them, lost all the footage, so I just deleted some clips, gonna do one more. All right, so something I'm learning on this trip is you can look up skate park somewhere, but a lot of the times they're not gonna come up on Google. And I'm learning this from the local skaters. They tell me about parks that are close by and I just have no idea, you know, I'm passing right by some of them. So I thought that was funny. We're gonna do a quick Q&A right now. First question is, I want to start a skate channel, any advice? I would say figure out why you wanna start the channel. You know, and then everything else will make a lot more sense once you figure out why you're doing it or what you want to do. I would say you got to upload constantly, you know, minimum like 2-3 times a week at least. I would say even more, but just to start. Not just because like YouTube wants more videos, but because you're going to learn a lot faster when you're doing more videos. So if If you want to get better at anything, just do more of it. That's what I'm doing with this challenge. Getting better at editing, getting better at skating, all sorts of stuff like that. So I would say, yeah, just figure out why you want to do it and do more of it. Do I eat meat daily? So for this challenge, I thought it would be interesting just to experience America. You know, like no ideas, just go into everything completely open and how people eat there, what they recommend, just kind of go with it and experience it with no ideas, no biases, no anything, you know? Okay, next question. Do I have any other hobbies? So I tend to get obsessed with whatever I'm doing. So I try to limit the amount of hobbies I have. Like I love fishing, but when I'm doing it, like I get all in on it, you know? I'll fish for like 10, 12 hours. I'm studying it. So I try to just keep it to 1 to 3 things. And I'll get really good at those things, and I try not to focus on other hobbies or interests, just because I know how my brain works and I work best just focusing on a couple of things. What is the best way to help with the challenge? Honestly, you guys have helped so much already just from sharing the videos or telling people or like messaging me to meet up in whatever cities, like all that stuff has helped. Buying the shirts has helped, and the GoFundMe, of course. So yeah, I mean, you guys have been killing it. How long have I been skating? I've been skateboarding for about 17, 18 years. Do I miss being home? So my brain doesn't really work like that. I'm just kind of like, whatever I'm doing and focused on, that's all I'm doing. I don't know. I don't get like nostalgic, or I don't know. I mean, I miss my girlfriend, but I'm really just doing what I'm doing, and that's it, yeah. It seems that your views are very low compared to other skate channels with a lot of BS. Do you have any strategies of content to change that? So I definitely don't have any strategies to change that. That's not really what I'm focused on. You know, I'm just focusing on growing myself and like doing what I'm interested in doing. And yeah, I don't care if it'd be nice if it does well, but I'm not gonna like not do what I wanna do on the basis of like if someone else thinks it's cool. I'm gonna keep pushing forward, but not gonna really, you know, start doing some weird content just to get views. Are you gonna do any handrail or street tricks? So people have commented this a lot, and you gotta think, like when you're doing this insane challenge, you can't really risk skating a handrail, you know, where you might roll your ankle or fall, you know, and like learning a trick on a handrail. It's like, it's gonna be tough to make it through a 50-day challenge doing that. And same thing applies with street skating. You know, I'd like to go street skate, that'd be cool, but sometimes, you know, the ledges are more rugged, you get kicked out, like the spots are harder to skate. There's just so many variables that when you're traveling across the states, you can't really be throwing in like wild cards, you know, just hopefully this spot works out, you know, so I stick with the skate park, seems to work. What's next for me skateboarding wise? So once this is over, I'll probably work on getting my company started, but it's tough to really think about what I'm gonna do after because there's just so much going on right now. All right, so the last question is any last trick ideas? So I show up to the skate parks every day with no idea what I'm gonna try. I kind of just see an obstacle and then I figure it out, like whatever I'm feeling that day. So I'll probably end up doing that for Hawaii, but if you guys have any ideas, feel free to comment them down below. All right, guys, that's it for the Q&A. I'll see you guys tomorrow in South Dakota.